Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is going to be another Valentine's video. I'm not sure if you guys have seen my Valentine's inspired eye look. I'm not sure if I put it up before this one or after, but I have got some nice Valentine's Lush products. I wasn't actually going to buy any of them. I haven't really bought Valentine's Lush products before, but I went onto their website just to check them out, and oh my god, they were so funny. Some of them are just hilarious, so I thought I would get some and show you guys anyway. I'm loving this box. It's so cute. Absolutely adorable. It just says sent by Lush on the box. It's just so pretty. I did get 10 products. I didn't get everything just because I got so much Lush stuff still. I've got like a massive like wicker basket box up there, and it's got so much Lush, and I just need to use it all really. But I had to buy the Valentine's. I just found it so funny, and I'm going to show you guys. I haven't opened it all up and got everything out, so I'm not sure if everything's in there, but I have just opened the box up so it's easier. So I'm really excited to see these products and just smell them really. I have written down in this little booklet that I keep for my Lush products to write down what their prices are, a little bit of description about them and what kind of scent they are, just to give you a bit more detail about every single product. So I will be looking, or I will have it like here, and obviously show you the product, but I will have it here and I will be reading off of it. But by my research and writing it down, they do sound absolutely beautiful, so I can't wait to smell them, and hopefully they are. So let's get on and open this up. The inside of the box is really pretty as well. So stunning. Normally I just get like a normal brown box. Okay, so I've angled you guys using the tripod little stirrer thingy to try and get you where you can see inside the box and me as well. I think this is going to work. I'm not too sure. Anyway, so we've got loads of packing peanuts in here, so I'm going to have to put them to the side. I'm literally wrapped up in a blanket because it is so cold at the moment. We had snow yesterday, I believe, and a little bit the day before. It's a little bit cold. Right, so we've got one on top here. So this is the first product. It's a boat, absolutely pretty. It's got some heart-shaped sequins on the bottom and then a nice little heart on the top. So this is Love Boat, and it's a bath bomb for £4.50, so not a bad price for the size. And it says, all aboard, set sail over the sweet orange and lemon oil seas, from an uplifting cruise to Love Island. Oh, that's so cute. I really like that. It smells absolutely amazing. It does smell very citrusy, and citrus is good for uplifting, so really, really nice. I do like that one. I wouldn't want to put it in the bath. It's just so cute. Really, really nice. It's kind of got like a nice sweet smell, but yeah, lovely. I'll put that one down here. Right, so the second product is one of the products that I found really funny, and this one is a banana. It's called the Big Banana. And it's a massage bar. Because my hands are hot, it's like melting in my hands, like the oil's coming out of it. So this is the Big Banana. It's a massage bar for £5.95. Peel off your clothes. So spicy clove bud oil and refreshing Brazilian orange oil will help stimulate and rejuvenate. It's got a little bit of scent of banana, but then there's like kind of like an aniseedy smell to it. But it is nice. Massage bar. My hands are so oily from that now. It does smell nice. Okay, so now the third product. This is the Unicorn Horn. It's a bubble bar for £4.50, and it says they're real. Relaxing lavender oil meets mood brightening neroli in this luster-filled bar. Crumble the whole thing in for an enchantingly calming bath. I bet you get lots of different colours in the water with this one. It does smell nice. You can definitely tell that's got neroli in. Neroli, it's not like bitter. It's got like a really sharp smell to it, so you can always tell. But it does smell nice. It's not as sweet as you think it would be for like the product wise, but it's definitely neroli. So yeah. Now on to the next. Now the next product I got is this very cheeky peach. Really, really cute, really, really cute, and it's called Peachy, and it's a bath bomb for £3.95. Really, really good price actually. It's quite large. It's quite a large bath bomb, so it fills your hand. It's a really, really large bath bomb. So it says peach and love. This cheeky number fizzles slowly in the bath, releasing bursts of juicy grapefruit, fresh peach juice and sweet Davana to gently cleanse and refresh. So this one isn't as sweet as I thought it would be. I thought it would be nice and peachy in that. It's got a very, very harsh scent to it. Like quite bitter actually, like grapefruit. I think this smells more of grapefruit. And I'm not really a big fan of grapefruit smells because it's not as sweet. It could be because it was in the box with something else, and that's kind of like, because when they're in the box together, they kind of mix sometimes. But it is very, very cute. Love this little peachy, this little cheeky peach. I absolutely love it. So that's the fourth product. Okay, so the next one is really, really big, and it's a strawberry, and it's quite a large strawberry. And this is a soap, so it's a body soap or a hand soap, but look how big that soap is. So this is Strawberry Whip, and it's a soap for £6.50. So it is quite pricey for a soap, for like a just like body soap or hand soap. And it says, whip it real good. Get your juices going as fresh strawberry, geranium and jasmine serve up the scent of spring. So that's really, really cute. You can smell strawberry, but the overpowering scent of the actual product is jasmine. But jasmine is quite nice, so I don't mind. But yeah, really, really cute strawberry. It smells absolutely delicious. So I've got 5 more products left to find in this box. So the next product is something that I've never seen in Lush before. I'm not sure if they've like been in Lush for a while, or I've just never seen them. Never really looked for them really. And these are mouthwash tablets. These are Adam's Apple Wash Mouth Tabs. Apple and spearmint collide with a lemon and lime for a fruity, fresh, zingy fling on the tongue. To use these, you need to nibble, add water, swish and spit for a refreshing flash of fruity flavour. Okay. This was £6.50 for 45 grams, so it's quite a small little bottle, I thought when I saw them. But yeah, really, really strange. I've never... Oh, they smell very spearminty, but never like... let me get one out and show you. I looked at it going, what? They're cute little diamond shapes and that, but yeah, they smell very, very spearminty. They're quite pricey for £6.50. You can just get like a normal mouthwash solution. I mean, you just use 1 tablet each time, but really, really weird. Like, I've never seen anything like it. So that is the 6th product. So the next product, again, isn't a body product, but it is like a lip product, and it's called Eve's Cherry. And this is a lip scrub. Now I saw this and I was like, okay. So I really, really found this interesting. And it's a cherry and peach linger on the lips after the first forbidden taste. And it's 25 grams. So it says the other forbidden fruit. Stroke over the lips to gently exfoliate, then lick off and let jojoba and shea butter settle in for a soft, supple pout. Davana, buchu and almond essential oils leave you feeling and tasting fruity, while lime gives a zesty zing to your kiss. Oh my god, that smells amazing. So it's just like a purpley red lip scrub, and it smells like cherries. Oh my god, it smells absolutely amazing. That's the 7th product, and that smells absolutely delicious, and I can't wait to use that. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with that product. Now on to the next one. So the next product is a shower gel, and this is the American Cream Shower Gel. And it's a 100 grams bottle, and it's £5.95. So it says, you're the one that I want. Cleansing fresh strawberries and uplifting fresh orange juice go together like Rama Lama Lama Ka Dinga Da Dinga Bong. What? Like literally it says it on there. It does say it. Rama Lama Lama Ka Dinga Da Dinga Dong. Right, it does say another little saying, and I've been trying to say this for like 3 times now, and oh my god, it's just... So the other part says, smell fresh forever as shoo bop sha wada wada yippity boom de boom. So that's what it says on the front. And oh god, I need to like... Oh, that's hilarious. It says it's got herbal clary sage in there. which means you'll be left hopefully devoted to the shower gel. Clary Sage is another one that people can like or not. It's kind of got a particular smell to it. You're going to have to smell it yourself to know if you'll like it. But it does, oh my god, that smells absolutely amazing. That does smell absolutely amazing. That smells very soft. It's not like an overpowering scent of Clary Sage, so I like it. I like that a lot. And I also like the little saying on the front of the bottle. That is just, was it? Rama lama lama ka dinga da dinga bong shoo bop sha wada wada yippity boom de boom. Okay then, so that's that product. Okay, so the next one is quite glittery, and I have had ones before that glittery. I just never used them just because I don't want like the water to get glittery and then get all the glitter in your hair. So I'm not sure about this one. Oh, it does smell amazing though. It's probably one of my favourite scents in the whole little bath bombs that I got. It does smell amazing. Very, very fruity and fresh and just very sweet. So I'm just going to read about it. So this one is called Open Your Heart, and it's a bubble bar for £4.95. So it says, unhook and unwind. Hook the one that you're mad on with this spicy cardamom and sensual sandalwood bubble bar. Perfect for sharing a candlelit soak. Now that smells absolutely beautiful. I do like that a lot. I just don't like the glitter. Like, oh my god, that went everywhere then. I just don't like the glitter, it just going everywhere. It could be new highlighter though, couldn't it? So I do a bit. Let's add a bit to my highlighter. Wow. That's Open Your Heart bubble bar. Again, it smells absolutely amazing. The last one I've got is probably one of the reasons why I bought this, because I think everyone knows what this emoji is. This is the Aubergine Bath Bomb for £3.95. And it says, set me free, baby. When you need something that really hits a spot, pop this bath bomb into the water and enjoy a steamy soak. Soak with uplifting bergamot, fruity ho, H-O, wood, and saucy, litzy cubiba. This one smells very nice as well. You can smell the bergamot, but there's something else there. I just don't know what the fruity ho wood smells like, or the litzy cubiba. But that one smells amazing as well. I absolutely love the designs that they've done. Oh, it's just, when I saw them, it made me giggle. It did make me giggle a little bit. You can kind of guess why they did this one and this one for Valentine's, but they smell absolutely amazing. I do prefer the Aubergine, I think it was called, over the Peachy one, just because this one smells more fruity than this one. But they're just absolutely stunning. Absolutely, just hilarious. Those are the 10 Valentine's Lush products that I did get this year. I'm really, really happy with them. I'm definitely happy with the Eve's Cherry little lip scrub, and obviously the bubble bars and the bath bombs, and yeah, it's just, they're really good products. So that's it for this video. I know it's only a short video. I just wanted to show you some of the products and then tell you a bit about them. There are more products. I will link Lush's website in the description box if you guys check it out if you do want to. Obviously they're limited edition, and it's the 2nd, is it the 1st or 2nd of February today. So I'm going to try and edit this video as soon as I can and get it out for you guys, for then you guys to go and check the website out yourself to get what you want. But yeah, really, really happy. Description on the shower gel, just again, that made me laugh for about 5 minutes, because I was trying to say it and try and say it and try and say it, and I get mixed up just on normal words. When it's whatever, then I get very tongue-tied, and it was very hard for me to say. So really, really did make me laugh, So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here, and it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.